Shut up and sit down.
Rightio, welcome back. Quite a few people have been asking about how I make my thinners. You can buy X20A, I don't know, £5-6 a pot, maybe a bit more. Good stuff. You know, at the end of the day, it does what it says on the tin. But over the years I've been using my own thinners that I make, using the ingredients of distilled water, isopropanol, some fluid retarder and some flow improver. What I do is I've already marked this bottle out, as you can see, but the ingredients are 160 mils of O2, which is the distilled water, for those of you that don't know, 80 millilitres of IPA, which is the isopropanol, and then 5 ml of fluid retarder and 5 ml of flow improver. Whack it all in a bottle, give it a shake, and you've got yourself a pot of thinners. I've already marked these lines, so all I do is I decant the relevant ones in the jar, fill it up to the lines, and then I add me flow improver and me retarder last of all, using a little 1 ml pipette. Okay, so let's just whop some of this bad boy in the jug. And where I've got my bottle marked, I just fill the jug up with enough, and I'm making a couple of batches of this because I've now depleted my my thinners, loads of modelling and all of that. So literally whack that in until you get to your 160 ml mark. I'll just drop that down so I can see. Hang on, not bad at all. There you go. So that, as you can see, 160 mils of distilled water, and then it's literally the same with the IPA. Now bear in mind, a IPA can irritate your skin, can irritate your eyes, highly flammable, so don't do this with a fag on the go for those of you that smoke. Wear some gloves. Rocking the sexy black gloves look, I know, but it's worth doing. Out with the IPA. Probably got most of it on me mat, but hey, not to worry, I've got plenty. The ingredients for this, by the way, I mean, I paid, I think, about 30 or 40 quid all in all, but then, you know, I got 5 litres of distilled water, 10 litres of IPA, a nice big bottle of fluid retarder, which is 250 mils, and we're only using 5 ml of this per batch, and the same with the flow improver, we're only using 5 ml per batch, and I've got 250 mils. So I've got 200 litres, you burk, 20 litres of chemicals, and as you know, that equates into quite a lot of thinners. You know, you think 2 pots of X20A is going to cost you 16 quid. So yeah, it's quite economical. So I'm going to pour this in up to my second line on the bottle, which I'll show you shortly. As I said earlier, I pre-measured these in a jug. Excuse me. And then marked me bottle up so that we get the exact amount that you need. As you can see, that's now brought the level to the second mark. Out with a fluid retarder is next. And I'm going to whack 5 millilitres of that into the pot. So I've marked that with a Sharpie so that I can actually see it from the distance, because obviously I'm sat behind a video camera. There's one. Two. Three. 4. And 5. I'll just put a little tiny bit in there, purely and simply because a couple of them were a tad lower than I would have liked. So that's 5 ml of fluid retarder gone in, and the last bottle, flow improver. And it's exactly the same with that, same pipette, because I only ever use this pipette for making thinners. Right, up to 1 ml, says 1. Two. 3. 4. And 5. And that my friends, is that. Whack the lid on, give it a shake, voila, 250 millilitres of thinner. Smell that. How many of you just led towards your screen? But literally, it smells exactly the same as good old faithful X20A. Hopefully you find that informative. Just a quick little recap. 160 ml of your distilled water, 80 millilitres of IPA, 5 ml of fluid retarder, which is that bad boy, and then 5 ml flow improver. Like I say, measure it out in a jug first, your 160 ml, pour it in the bottle, draw your line. Then pour into your jug 80 ml of water, add that to your 160, mark a line on your bottle, empty the water out, fill it up with your distilled, your IPA, and then 5 ml each of fluid retarder. Good old shakeroonie of the bottle, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please.